news. And as always, it's Mr. Legend. Today we'll be reporting some random weather. Today it'll be partly sunny, but later in the evening we might have some cotton candy clouds. Tomorrow there's a 100% chance of rain, of meatballs.
Well, looks like there is a news flash.
Whoa!
There seems to be a mysterious raider in the forest.
Whoa.
He seems to come in and out like a ghost. Now he's attacking the legendary cows from all over the village. It's almost as if the legend of the East is true.
What's this legend of the yeast you're talking about? Does he help make bread or something like that?
You see, it's a mysterious demon that randomly attacks and causes sudden mysteries. Legend has it all he can only be defeated by a monkey or a dragon, in addition to be able to materialize from thin air.
Wow. He also seems to be extremely good looking and is very tall. Here's a wanted poster that we have recently found.
Next up, the defeat of the missing of the legendary monkey is uncovered. It seems that the death of the master is caused by legend of the East, although his identity is not known. And the only lead we have on the legend of the East mysterious identity is... Do you want to travel back in time or travel to the future? Well, Sam Holmes' time machine will let you. You can use this promo code to get 2 free raffle tickets. Wow, isn't that cool? Buy now for only $19.99. $99. Or you can buy this teleportation drink and it will teleport you instantly. Now let's get back to the show.
Go find the other animals. You're stronger together.
Yes, Sifu. I'll come back to free you. This mystery man has to be stopped.
Wait, the monkey is already dead. Go after the dragon instead. Good luck. Here's the map.
I need you to help me save my seafood.
No. I'm sorry, but I'm busy right now.
Okay, bye.
What are you doing here?
I came here to seek you.
Why us?
Whoa! The Grandmaster sent me.
You mean Sifu?
Yes. I came here to find 5 animals, but the monkeys are dead.
We will help you seek all of them.
Hey, what are you 3 doing here?
We have a message to give you from the seafood.
Well, what is it? You've interrupted my training.
The Grandmaster said to...
Ha!
Ah.
Let's go!
Oh, dang.
Whoa!
Let's go, Wonder! They're too strong! They're too strong! Those 4 animals are too strong!
Maybe you need some more henchmen,
What do you mean?
like helpers.
That's a good idea. Oh, let's go, let's go!
If we get a new master, I'm gonna be the main henchman.
No, I am. Why do you always get to be the best? Hi-ya! Whoa! Ha 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 ha. Hey, that's not funny. You want a new master? Yeah. Now follow me.
Wicked Wonder, what'd you do this time?
They're your 2 perfectly smart henchmen.
Wicked Wonder? Why'd you bring those 2 ding-dongs to me? I want another one, now!
What's your problem?
What's your problem? You better go quick!
Okay. I'm gonna train my dumb, sassy boss.
Oh, so you want to be friends?
Sure.
There's like this dumb boy over there. You should go check him out and bring him to
Hey, boy, come on. You're going to get a new master.
Okay.
Hey, Ding Dong, wake up.
Where's my henchman?
Over there. Wait, what's this?
Another ding dong? What's your special power? Oh no. Not again! Good job, Wonder. You'll be a great assistant.
Not for long.
What? Oh, that's it. Oh. Ah. Mantis! Oh no! There's a mantis, guys.